Tired of doing that in public? I got you. Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Matt and I make videos with tips and tricks to help you guys live a more convenient life. And today that trick is going to be how to unlock your iPhone with a mask on. This is actually the third video in a playlist I'm putting together for you guys called Easy and Convenient, which contains tutorials with easy and convenient tech tips that take no more than a few minutes to implement. And so, like I said, we're gonna teach you how to unlock your iPhone with your mask. All right, so let's get into it. But first, consider subscribing, like the video, and share it with somebody you think would benefit from it if you got value out of it. And yeah, let's go. So you need three things, okay? Phone, mask, and you're gonna need an Apple Watch. All right. So first thing we're gonna do, let's put our mask on, okay? And then we are going to, gotta record the screen first. Actually, I'll take this off for now. But we're gonna go into our settings, okay? And so first thing I should say is that you need an iPhone that has Face ID, so one of the ones that are iPhone 10 or later. And then you're going to need an Apple Watch Series 3 or later, okay? And if you don't know what that means, let me know in the comments, and I can make a video on how to figure out which device you have. But for the sake of this video, I'm going to assume that you have iPhone with Face ID and then Apple Watch Series 3 or later. But yeah, so it's pretty simple. We're going to go into our settings, and we're going to go to where it says Face ID and passcode, which is kind of in the middle of the screen right now, right here. Okay, and then you're going to type in your passcode. All right, and so here is there's just one option that we have to check off. You're going to scroll down, and you're going to see the section that I've got at the top for you guys, unlock with Apple Watch, and it says Matt's Apple Watch, and then you can see that the toggle is green. The toggle being green means that I have this turned on. So it means that if I am wearing my watch and it's unlocked and it's connected to my phone, then the watch will recognize, or the phone will recognize, I should say, that I have a mask on. And therefore, it's going to talk to my watch and say, can I unlock the phone? And my watch is going to say yes. And so therefore, the iPhone will unlock. Okay, so the way you guys will know that your Apple Watch was in fact the thing that unlocked your iPhone is that you'll feel a little vibration on your wrist, and it'll show you a little graphic, and it'll say iPhone unlocked by this Apple Watch. And I'll put a screenshot up on the screen for you guys. But yeah, that's literally it. If it's not working for you guys, I would just make sure that your watch is paired, which just means that if you're getting text messages and alerts on your watch, that means you're paired to your iPhone, so don't worry about that. Make sure it's connected to the Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, and then you also need to make sure that your watch has a passcode and wrist detection on. And I think most of us have those settings on, so I'm not going to go into that in this video, but if you want me to make a video about that too, just let me know down in the comments. But yeah, that's it. Thanks for tuning in. That was the third video in the playlist that I'm making for you guys on easy and convenient tech. If you liked it, consider subscribing, like the video, and consider sharing it too with somebody that you think would benefit from it as well. The next video is going to be about keyword text replacement on your iPhone so that you don't have to type out the kind of annoying things all the time, kind of like your email address or your home address or your student ID number or whatever. But I'll go over that in the next video, and we'll see you there. Thanks. Bye.